Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks. This is lecture 24, homework 21. Okay dear students, let us see our questions and we'll solve these problems here. Dear students, we have taken classes on this topic at the beginning of our online classes, and today this is the repeated classes. Now see how to solve this type of questions. Okay dear students, now see here a number is given and this number is written here in words. This number is written here in words. In all the case the numbers are written in words, and here are blanks given. Here is a blank, here is a blank, here is a blank, here is a blank, here is a blank. In this way the blanks are given. Just we have to fill up these blanks by using the alphabets, Okay dear students, now see here our first number is 85. First number is 85. This number is 85. So now we have to see what we need. 80 is written here. 80 is written here. We need 5. To write 5, dear students, you know the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. So here after F we have to write I. We have to write I. So in the first blank we have to write I. In the first blank we have to write I. This means F-I-V-E, 5, 85 this one. So the next question, see now, 70, this is 70 means 70, this number is 70. So we have to know the spelling of 70. The spelling of 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. So after S-E we have to write V. We have to write V. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. That is 70. Now the next number is 56. 56. To write 50 we need here we need the spelling 50. F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. So we have to write T before Y. That is 56. 6 is given. So we have to put T on the blank. Okay, now 68. 68. 6. S-I-X T-Y. S-I-X-T-Y. That is 60. So here is also T. 60. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Now next one. 73. 73. Now see here 70. Here we need 3. And the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. So here is a blank. We need to write E in the blank. We need to write E in the blank. To write 3, we need E here. Okay dear students, now go to the next one. Next one is 61. 61. Dear students, to write 60 we need the spelling. The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. So after I we have to write X. So here will be X in the blank. 60. 60. 1. Here is 1. Now the next number is 100. 100. So here 1 is given. We have to write 100. Dear student, the spelling of 100 is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. So after H here is a blank, so we have to write U. We have to write U. H-U-N D-R-E-D. Then the next number is 79. 79. So we have to know the spelling of 70 here. 70. The spelling of 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. So after E here we have to write N. 70. 70. Here is 9. So 79. So we have to put N in the blank. Now next number is 53. 53. So we can say spelling of 53. F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. So after T we have to write Y. So we have to write Y in the blank. We have to write Y in the blank. Okay, dear students. Now go to the last question today. Here the last question is, the number is 64. So we have to know the spelling. Here is 60 given. We have to put the alphabet in this blank. Here the word should be 4. Word should be 4. 64. And the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. So we have to write here O. After F we have to write O. That is 4. 64. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to fill up the blanks and do this as your homework. This is your homework 21. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Dear students, so submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, so keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.